Winters are just round the corner and it's the best time to explore the Delhi. Let me take you to a newly opened place in the city. It is located on the opposite side of the Humayun Tomb and before the Sundar Nursery entrance gate. This is the ticket counter where you can purchase the ticket not just for the museum but for Humayun Tomb as well as Sundar Nursery also. So this is the entrance gate and the ticket price over here is 50 rupees per person. For the children is 25 rupees and 220 for the foreign visitors. So actually the museum is located underground. As you enter the main gate, you have to take a left turn and again left, and in this way we are going downward as you can see in this video. Another important information is that if you are coming to this place, don't throw away the entry ticket just by entering the main gate because it would be requiring continuously once for the main entrance again as you can see before entering the museum and again while coming out of the museum you have to use this. As we enter the hall on the left hand side, this is the view that we get to see. So this is basically the map of the whole Delhi and this is particularly the map of all the civilization that happened beside the Yamuna river. Moving forward, this is the most photogenic and the beautiful part of the whole museum. These are basically the works done on the ceilings of different monuments or structures. Sometimes people find museum to be very boring as only few stuffs have been kept used by kings and emperors. But trust me, this is not like any museum that we have seen before. It is a modern kind of museum with a lot of technologies to show the whole Delhi in one place. Use of screen and projection mapping to show and describe the story of each thing is done over here. Not just that, the place is designed aesthetically very pleasing to our eyes. Like this is the replica of the Nizamuddin Dargah. Normally a woman never will get to see this structure and it's very crowded. But here you can see the whole artwork that is done in that place and it is so beautiful. There are replica of different structures and different important objects that have been used in the different parts of the Delhi. So you can just take your time, see each of these beauties and admire them in your own way. Like there is a door which has beautiful carvings on it and it is said that it was just diminished by some place and this organization have found it. यहाँ पे बहुत सारी किताबें रखी हुई थे which were some of them were original and some were replica of the original ones. This is the famous architecture structure that has been used by the Mughals for making any kind of their architecture. This is the replica of the Humayun Tomb and the history of it is written along with the history of Humayun himself. This is called Taj-e-Izzat, which is the pagri of Humayun in which he used to carry the Kohinoor diamond also. इसके अलावा और भी बाकी सारी यूज़ किया हुआ सामान यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले किया गया था with the detailed information of each of this. This is the display of the utensils or the pottery. Look at them, they are so beautiful. Each of them looking like a painting itself. Then these are the small dolls of each of the Mughal empire. As the name suggests, Humayun Tomb Museum, though all the other emperors of the Delhi has been shown over here, but the main focus in the whole museum was the Humayun himself. These are the small models of the different monuments which we can see around the Delhi. Now take you to the favorite part of the museum, which is a 360-degree screen where you get the aerial view of Delhi and it shows the history and the structure construction over there. Thus, I must say this is a must visit place and do share your experiences if you are visiting this museum.